In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Fortnite for free on your PC. Just you have to follow and watch this video till the end. First, you have to open your Google Chrome and search for uh, download Epic Games. So, click on it when you find it and click here on download. Once it's downloading, as you can see guys, you have to install Epic Games. So when it's installing, as you can see here, open it. And here guys, you have to go here to the search star bar and search for Fortnite. So you have to search for it and then click on it like this. And here is Fortnite. Go click in library and click on Fortnite here on install and choose the folder where you want to download your game and click install, and then read this and click agree and click accept and click yes. And right now guys, it's downloading, just it's take some times. And guys, I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.